Cooking with Locals, a journey through traditional kitchens worldwide. Welcome to a truly unique culinary adventure where we step into the kitchens of local communities around the world, exploring flavors, techniques, and traditions passed down through generations. In each episode, we'll immerse ourselves in the heart of indigenous and local cooking, side by side with the people who know these recipes best. In this series, We'll join indigenous chefs, home cooks, and culinary masters from small villages and vibrant communities, learning not only the how, but also the why behind each dish. Whether it's making handmade pasta in Italy, rolling sushi in Japan, or preparing authentic tagine in Morocco, we'll get hands-on with the ingredients, tools, and techniques unique to each culture.
Making handmade pasta in Italy is more than just cooking. It's an art form that connects us to our history.
Rolling sushi in Japan requires precision and respect for the ingredients. It's a tradition that has been honed over centuries.
Preparing authentic tagine in Morocco is about blending spices and slow cooking to perfection, capturing the essence of our culinary heritage.
From wood fire stoves to clay ovens, bamboo steamers to open-air grills, we'll experience how locals use natural materials and traditional methods to cook their meals. We'll learn the artistry behind these methods and how they influence the flavors and textures of the dishes, highlighting the connection between food and culture.
Discovering unique ingredients and flavors, we'll visit local markets and farms with our hosts to gather fresh, seasonal ingredients, often unique to the region.
Whether it's rare spices, wild herbs, or freshly caught seafood, these ingredients add distinct flavors that tell the story of the place they come from. Learning the stories behind famous dishes. Each dish has a story, and we'll explore the history and cultural significance of every meal we prepare. We'll hear from locals about what these dishes mean to them, their families, and their communities, offering a deeper understanding of the culinary heritage that makes each dish so special. Trying our hand at local delicacies. Finally, we'll put on an apron and learn to make these iconic dishes ourselves.
From kneading dough and crafting perfect dumplings to slow cooking curries and mastering spices, we'll show you every step as we attempt to recreate the authentic taste of each region.
This isn't just a cooking show, it's a celebration of cultural connection and the shared love of food around the world. Subscribe to Mojaz Safar and join us in these kitchens, where every meal is a journey, every recipe is a story, and every bite brings us closer to understanding the world in a deliciously personal way.